This is our experimental apparatus, Lorentz Force Demonstrator. Number 1 is Lorentz tube. It contains the electron beam and the associated accessories. Number 2 is the Helmholtz coil, a set of circular coils that are separated by their radius apart from each other. It produces uniform magnetic field in our experimental region, Lorentz tube. Number 3 is the pointer, which I think is this red thing. It can be used with the degree scale to measure the orientation of the Lorentz tube. Number 5 is counterclockwise indicator, and number 6 is clockwise indicator. These light up when current follow in that direction. And number 7 is wooden case. I removed it. Number 8 is the deflecting voltage control. It goes from 50 volts to 250 volts. Number 9 is the deflecting voltage switch. It turns on the deflecting voltage in the direction indicated. Number 10 is the accelerating voltage control. Number 11 is magnetizing current switch. It turns the current on in the direction indicated. 12 is the magnetizing current control. Number 13 and 14 are on and off switch and the power indicator. Number 15 and 16 are voltmeter and ammeter. These are the gauges you see here. We'll make some length measurements to verify the values given in the manual. The manual gives what I think should be the diameter of the Helmholtz coil, and I have a 30 centimeter ruler here. Mind the thickness of the coil. So the way the ruler is placed right now, it goes from edge to edge. But the effective diameter of the coil most certainly is not 29.5 centimeters. You do have to correct for the thickness and try to go from center to center. And the separation between the coils should be equal to the radius of the coil. Again, going from edge to edge, you see 15.5 centimeter, which is most certainly not the value that should be used. Going from center to center shows something closer to 14 centimeters, and the video here should inform your uncertainty on that value. Most of the measurement will be done in this view of the Lorentz tube. This was the quick overview of the experimental apparatus.